Hi, so just a quick video to talk through how we could set this up. So thanks for sending on that documentation. So what that is that you've just sent on is actually a really old version of our reporting that was available in the old platform. It's like the very first reporting feature that we ever built. Very primitive, there's not really too much you can do with it. There's no customization or anything like that. So basically what I'm going to talk through is the ways of setting up pretty much the exact same thing, but in the two different new reporting features, so that you can choose which one you actually prefer. But basically you just do the exact same thing. We're just going to add a filter and just pull in one response rather than all of our responses. So in the new reporting feature, you can just click on results, go to add filter, go to please write your full name, and then say is, and then paste in someone's name. So I could paste in this one right here, for example. I'm just going to paste that in there. And when I click out, it should reassess and just pull in this one response. So let's pull this and say contains, because it's not pulling that in. There we are. Okay. Oh, it's because I didn't put the G at the beginning. That's my apologies. So now we basically have a report that just contains this person's response. We have all of the questions following and how they answered them, basically. Now this is basically going to create one page per question, which might not be exactly what you want. If you like this view and want to put it in all on one page, just go to create custom page. Great thing about this is that you can pick and choose which are exported. If you aren't interested in all questions, you can just go ahead and do that. So you just add a visualization and change the question and pull in whichever questions you're interested in. So that's in the new reporting functionality. Then we can go to printed reports, which is the old reporting functionality, but still a step above what the one you were previously using. So we would just go to create new report. I'm just going to call this Q support so you can remove it afterwards. Create. We can specify which questions we want to include here, which is really easy and really straightforward and fast. So you could just go ahead and choose which questions you want to pull in, and then choose which format, whether you want a table and a graph, or etc. So I'm just going to pull in a couple just to save us some time, because just to get the gist of it. So I will just pull in the first 4 questions. And then I do very much the exact same thing. I just click add filter criteria, filter by question response. If your full name is, and then I can pull in, for example, Danielle Chick. So write your full name is equal to Danielle Chick. And then I would click apply the filter, and that should just pull in Danielle's response. So I will have, yeah, there it is. Okay, so you have Danielle's name. The thing about this is a little bit more customization needed. So we have her there. This is her response. Again, we have one page for each question. So all you need to do in that case is, if you want them all on one page, just pull them up. This is completely draggable. So you could just drag that up there and add them all into one page, for example. Both of these, it doesn't matter which platform you actually set this up in. If you go to report options in both reporting areas, there's the option to export the report. Oh, sorry, in report options in the new one, it would be export report. But here in the older one, it's share, and then you can export to Word. And like I say, in the results section, then it's just under survey options, report options, and then export report to Word. So have a go at either of these, see which one you like the look of best, and then just export to Word. The only other way that you can export one individual person's response would be that way I mentioned earlier when we were on the phone, which was just the PDF version through the data and analysis section. So I hope one of these methods will work for you. Please let me know if you have any questions on setting this up, and I can help you out.